Wow. Magandang gabi. Galing sa Daraga night market. We're just here having a look around, catching the vibes. So we've got Mel, my brother-in-law Arvin, and behind me we've got Salim, my sister-in-law. And we're just here, just having a bit of fun, just having a look around. So the night market, every night, it's a hustle and a bustle to get all the best produce. But you still got to watch out. You never know. But don't be afraid to come down to the night markets. Especially if it's your local area. Get to know the place. And you'll get some good deals as well. I love this place, it's brilliant. All these people are local farmers. Just selling their produce. And you can haggle the prices. But each market stall is basically the same. It's like any market in the world. This is just a way forward. Oh yeah, donuts. Local eggs with balut, which are duck eggs, fermented duck eggs. If you've never tried it, try it. Me personally, I don't like it. So you've got everything, your heart's desire, even the fish. Oh my god, the fish looks so nice. The bananas, saging, calamansi, which is the lemon. Hi. I'm good, thanks.
Hello.
Everybody's so friendly. It doesn't matter what you do or where you go. People are just friendly, and they're just looking for a good deal. Oh, yeah, beans. Brother-in-law's just getting some string beans. What you got? Oh, quail eggs.
Quail egg. Salty egg.
Yeah, that's salty eggs. The red ones are salted eggs. And then you've got the quail's eggs. All organic. And how much? How much was that?
Magkano gano'n?
40 pesos.
20p. That's 60 pence.
Yeah.
So one of these bags is 20 pence. The one that my brother-in-law it's 20p. Hello.
Hello. Do you have a sticker?
Yeah, in the bag.
Shout out.
Always a shout out. Just always a shout out. You got it in the bag? Brown ones for girls.
Round.
Okay, 804. Ay, sa'yo may ito. Ay, sa'yo naman 300. Sorry.
Sticker.
Ah, thank you.
Makita ka sa ano? Vlog.
Salamat.
Okay, thank you.
We are in the night market, Daraga, Albay.
So at the moment we're just going to get some okra.
Lady finger. Mabuhasan ko sa may kapipin. Kapipin ay tulong. Like pocho, yeah.
Wala ka ba?
Wala pa, pero kumuha lang. Yun eh. I need the kinapag.
Gusto lang din mo. Hindi mo 70. Hindi mo 70.
Quarter 60.
Wala rin ko.
Ilong gang.
Magaan lang yan, ma'am.
Diba ilaglag ko siya? Oh, sige, sige.
Hi, Goya. No. Yeah, we're buying there.
No.
Yeah. New friend.
I saw the dragon fruit there.
Yeah, it's down there.
Yeah.
This is where it gets all very, very interesting because my wife can't stick to a route. She has to go cross her ways 6 million times.
I saw.
Hello na mami, kasama ron.
Now we're looking for dragon fruit. See what I mean? Can't keep up. Celine is just picking out the best avocado for later. Could do with some sourdough bread now. That would be perfect. Sourdough bread, a little bit of butter, and some avocado. What is that?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ove.
Yeah.
That's different.
Yeah. With cheese.
We're gonna get that.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Try this one, Choco Moist Cakes with choco chips on top.
Oh,
We'll take-
choco chips on the top.
Yes.
Choco chip on the top.
I prefer the one with cheese.
Okay.
I like cheese. I don't care.
Magkano yan?
100 lang.
Sige.
You go. What do you need? Oh.
Oh, that's yours.
Oh, that's mine. Was unexpected. Just picked up some. It's purple yam dessert. They call it Orbi here, and it's got cheese on top. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but just trust me, it is delicious. Love that type of thing.
Dragon fruit.
So now we're looking for dragon fruit. Here we go. We got some. There you go. 50.
50. One half kilo. 1/4. 1/4. So, apat.
Mel's picking out the dragon fruit. A quick weigh.
286 daw. 286.
Asaan? Pili na dam, dragon fruit, aquan melon. Ay, meron po.
Salamat.
Thank you, sir. Ay, kalimutan na.
For the bag.
Thank you, dam.
Go onwards and upwards.
Amutin ni ano?
Si Arvin Marina.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Sabay malapit sa labas.
Oh, peely nut.
Only can find it only in Bicol.
Peely nuts are famous in the Bicol Albay region. You can do what with the peely nut?
This pili can be eat just put in the hot water.
So you put the peely nut in boiling water.
Yeah, and then for 10 minutes, it will peel off the skin, and then can eat the
The flesh.
yeah,
Oh, okay.
and then this.
And then when it's dry,
Yeah.
when it's dry, you can break the nut.
Yep. That's
That's
called
where you get the
pili
peely nut. Oh, there you go. Lessons learned. So we're getting 2 kilos of this stuff. So you know what I'll be eating tomorrow?
Pili.
Peely nuts. So, as per normal, it's the weigh-in. And we have a winner.
Magkano?
50 lang po. Okay na. 100 na isa.
Okay lang.
So that's another purchase down. And off we go again. Let's see what else we can find on this market. Oh, we got to go back the other way. I have been summoned. I've been summoned. It's an organised chaos, which is something you have to get used to. There we go. I found something. Yeah.
This one can be wrapped by this like lumpia coffee.
There's a weird one.
18. Oh, mainit pa.
It's still hot.
Yeah, it's still hot.
Oh well, you're fresh.
Oh, it's still hot.
And we're off again. And you just got to keep it. You need me to take one of the bags?
No, no, no.
You sure? As you can see, it's really packed here, so you just literally got to be patient. Doesn't matter where you look. There's vegetables everywhere. Or, as they say here, not vegetables, gulay. What I have noticed is a wide variety of sizes. Unbelievable. That way or go straight down? Follow the way. Mel's on the hunt for something. Don't know what. We'll find out.
Hello guys.
Hi.
This is the ice cream. Juan wants to ask you for ice candy wrapper.
Huh?
Ice candy wrapper.
They got them there.
70. 2 kilo.
7 lang po.
Now we're on the look for potatoes. Get some potato action. How many we getting?
1 kilo.
A kilo.
105.
Ano na lang?
Give me those. I got the peanuts.
Hindi kita bisa.
Hanggang sa content ka na ako.
Ay, kita pala, no?
Everywhere you go. Hindi, hindi. Hi. Wow. That's a market and a half, that is. It just goes on forever. Anyway, we're back where we started. Just wait for everybody else to catch up. Here they come. Oh no, hold on. We found something else.
Hello.
Hi. We found something else. What we found? What we found? Oh my god. Hey lady, I'm back.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Saan pa nun?
50 po.
Saan pa?
Boy, plastic na boy.
Small but this is tasty. Like sweet potato. Like sweet potato texture. Sometimes the big one is not. It's not.
Not particularly tasty.
Yeah, hello guys.
Bland.
She said hello guys.
I know. I know. Salamat.
Salamat.
Right. Oh no, we're off somewhere else. This is it. Right?
Bicol Express.
Can we just get a few?
Ay, bili na kaya, bili na. Free taste. Mura na ito, mura na.
Yeah, they are.
Free taste.
No, not free taste, you. They're way too hot.
60 ang pizza.
That's what brother-in-laws are for. Just to get you into trouble. Mamma mia. I just keep putting them in there. One for the road, exactly. Salamat.
Salamat talaga kayo. English pa ako.
Naman, konti lang.
Where do you want to eat?
And it's food time. Ooh,
Food time.
I don't mind. Anywhere. Or,
Oh, sige.
where are we going? Where are we going?
We're eating. There's no more there.
No, I know. And now we're off for food.
Would you like in McDonald's or Jollibee?
I don't care, but Jollibee sounds good to me.
Jollibee side.
I can get McDonald's anywhere in the world. I can't get Jollibee anywhere in the world.
Hoy! Pura-paulat mo. Dapat nakaulit mo sa go. Ingat, eh. Kaya pagbalik na.
Oh, and that's where we're going. Jollibee! Gotta push just a little bit. Right, let's go to Jollibee's.
Sir, would you like to go inside, please?
Yeah, but I'm not paying. Ooh, aircon. Local Jollibees, different to the ones in England. You can never find half of this stuff in England. This is an original. The Yum Burger. That'll be having that one.
Yan na. Tapos,
Yeah. Yeah, I was we managed to get that sorted after a fashion. Yeah. Now we just gotta wait for our order and then we can eat.
they're looking for you there.
All of a sudden very
No, they're
shy.
looking for you there.
Always a smile. And this is where you play.
Ang daming drinks.
Bye bye Jollibee.